Fuck him up.
Someone's hit! Someone's hit! Alright, get your shit!
Silver, you on this team? No.
Alright, come on! Good.
I'm Silver.
You are here. How are you talking in green? Why are you talking in green?
Hold on!
What the hell?
Wait, what? We're talking in green? Wait, you're talking in green. Did you join my party? Did we join each other somehow?
I guess we did somehow since we're on a friends list.
That just happens when you're on a friends list with someone.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, so if you also look at your, like,
be nice to have
map, it
friends,
should show
right?
up as green instead of white
Oh, that's dope as shit.
or blue or whatever.
Yeah.
You know what the coolest thing about this game is?
Friendship.
SKS drop mag.
No, that's not friendship.
Oh, you know, yeah, that is cool, but like, SKS drop mags, bro. How many SKSs does everyone have? Does anyone have an SKS here but me or Zephyr?
Hey, I'm reloading! You wanna stop shooting me?
I'm so confused on where they're at.
Alright, yeah, there's still three of them. If you just
Yeah, right here, buddy. I'm right here the entire time. Oh, sorry, bro. Somebody kill me. Somebody kill me, please.
Drag out! Drag out!
But how much do you get? What's your wage? Are you wage or salary?
Wage.
I'm genuinely curious, and I'm I want to get into just a career because I'm out of the fucking military.
About 22, 20, no, not 22, 27.
That's fucking no, that's no.
Hey, I'm reloading!
There's that dude over there.
I saved your life, Silver. This guy was right here. I killed him,
Man down!
No, not for long.
Well, that's a we thing.
and then we died.
Didn't work.
We did.
There's another one.
Reloading!
49, bro.
I need a
Wow.
sec!
Yeah, we're dead up here. Come up here, bro.
Shit! Ah!
My health is now 200.
Good?
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, I got him.
I got him.
Okay, we got him.
We, yes. Cooperative.
We should petition Triple or whoever the fuck the devs of this are to put the BFG 50 in. That'd be funny.
That would be, wouldn't it? It'd work great for like the insurgents.
Yeah, fuck the M99. That shit's old, outdated. Fucking cringe. And then you can also sell them making the super shorty a secondary.
Pretty good joke. Somebody should put on Twitter that.
He like everyone wants it to be production, but he hates that gun.
Why though?
Super.
Because it's his design, but he doesn't actually fully make the gun. Like it's either a Remington or a Mossberg, so it's not his, so he doesn't like it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, like part of me gets it, but part of me is also like, it's fucking hilarious. Like, why wouldn't you just produce it for all the shitlords like me who would buy it because it's funny?
Bro, it's not even that. Fucking the police want it. Breacher, SWAT wants it. They all want it.
I mean, it's good for that. I just love the, like, you know, people already buy, like, the fucking
you at, bro? I keep hearing you, but I can't see you.
Ass revolvers for the fucking 410.
I think you're under
So
me right
why
now,
not
bro.
give them a similar size platform to 12 gauge?
Dude, where are you at?
That shit's
man?
great.
Cover me! I'm reloading!
I'm still here. I'm still here.
Whoa!
Bruh. Oh shit, there's 3 of them. Their whole team.
Oh my god, it's the tipo!
Loading! Loading! Come back in!
Wait! I'm loading!
Yeah, I feel like it was.
He's on the left, low bridge.
One on the left.
So we mama.
Can we get much higher? So high.
I'm loading!
I just got shot at.
Was it with a gun? Did they shoot at you with a gun?
With a beep. Ooh.
How do you activate night vision again?
So first you take your mouse, then you insert it between your left and right cheek.
How did that not kill you, bro? There,
Oh,
there.
I'm gonna
you
die.
finally
I'm gonna
died,
try
bro.
to
What
fight
the
it.
fuck? Took a full nade and you didn't die? Sorry, bro. Sorry.
It's okay, it's mostly emotional damage.
Are there vampires or other people?
They're vampires, bro. They come out and suck your blood.
I want them to suck.
Yo, you're not old enough.
I'm old enough.
Stop following me. I don't want to be a predator.
In like 2010.
You already are.
And a toddler.
Vampires don't have guns.
Yes, they do. It's new age shit.
What if I shoot you first, bitch?
I want to be a vampire. How do I become a vampire?
You are a vampire.
So first you gotta take your mouse and put it between your cheeks.
That's why your mom's dead.
That's why your mama left you, bro.
Does your mom know you're playing violent video games?
Can you send your mama my number?
Bro, this one guy,
647.
Tell your mom to buy me a 50 cal.
No money's for crack. What are you talking
I'll
about?
be your stepdad if she buys me a 50 cal.
Damn.
Yeah. Forward her to Budweiser so she can buy me my 50 cal, and then yeah, sure.
You really want to be this little shit?
You have to defend me. It's gonna be a good stepdad. Come on now.
You gotta call him stepdaddy though.
Yo. That's only for the videos.
Bro, why'd you shoot him if I was in front of you?
What if you weren't a friendly? What if you were the imposter? You're looking mega sus. Sussy
Bro.
pocket.
I hate not being able to see him hide in the dark corners.
Dude, where are the vampires? What's over the vampire thing?
Someone didn't read the description.
I'm supposed to read descriptions.
I know reading might be hard for you. You haven't learned
I'm
all the
gonna go
words
back
yet.
You're in the wrong
Back
game.
to bed.
son.
It's late.
I don't wanna. I have freedom.
You have school in the morning.
No, I don't. I'm sick.
Lucky.
I know.
Is your mom
No, don't kill me. Don't kill the squeaker.
Kill the squeaker. You guys
The
know,
squeaker kills you.
you know J Slash bought gamer subs?
Me too.
I'm reloading.
I'm gonna
Where you at?
inject gamer subs into my ass.
That's what I did.
Make sure you twerk so they get mixed properly and they don't get all clumpy.
Yeah, no one likes clumpy gamer subs.
Well, my ass games are the most.
Dog.
Guys, if you jump 5 times, we win.
How did it take you so long to die?
Someone is hit!
They just didn't consent to being killed.
You. Okay, we're clear,
How was the last kill?
It's like a family recipe.